So these Currys celebrate 2 rings and 2 MVPs. But will he finally win a finals MVP? What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning into the Sneaker News YouTube channel. Today we're unboxing not 1 but 2 pairs of shoes. If you're a fan of Steph Curry, you're definitely going to want to stick around. So before we open these shoe boxes, just do us a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We're posting new videos almost on a daily basis. We're working real hard just for you guys. So please subscribe and of course turn on your notifications so you know exactly when we post new videos. So for this unboxing, we're going to do 2 pairs of shoes. They're kind of in a pack together, so we'll go one by one. We'll start with these. So this is the Under Armour Curry 1 in collaboration with retailer Shoe Palace. It's officially called the Bright Lights Big Stage Pack, and it celebrates not only the 25th anniversary of Shoe Palace, but also calls out the accolades that Steph Curry has amassed over the last few years. So a nice celebratory release to honor 2 different things. Shoe Palace, they're celebrating the 25th anniversary in 2018, and they've done a year-long streak of collaborations. Under Armour, Nike, Vans, Reebok, pretty much every brand they've done some sort of collaboration with to help them celebrate. So again, this is that nice Northern Californian connection between Steph and Shoe Palace, because Shoe Palace's first store was actually in the Bay Area. So again, this is a UA Curry 1. As you guys know, this is Steph Curry's first signature shoe with Under Armour. It is the shoe that is widely credited with helping Under Armour become a huge success. Of course, over the last year and a half, they've sort of been on a decline, but Steph Curry is the sole reason why Under Armour was a force to be reckoned with. And of course, you guys all remember that story of how Steph Curry was originally with Nike, and during their pitch to re-sign him, they got his name wrong. They gave him sort of like a blueprint template of a presentation that had Kevin Durant's name allegedly on it. So long story short, he goes to Under Armour. They give him his first signature shoe. That same season, he wins his first MVP and an NBA championship, and the rest is history. So the Curry 1 Bright Lights Big Stage Pack celebrates not only his first MVP trophy, but his first NBA championship. And there are a bunch of little details to this shoe that kind of make a nice NBA championship themed release. Of course, you have that black and gold that's been a signature with anything finals related. We have to point out that Big Stage is also a nickname given to 2 Kobe shoes. If you guys can remember, in 2010, Nike released the Kobe 5 Big Stage Pack in both home and away colorways. We'll call it an inspiration. We don't want to say they copied them, but again, this Curry 1 features a black upper with the dimpled upper, the big UA logo. You have some metallic gold heel details. Nice little touch to give it that, trophy sort of flair. And on the toe box, they went with like a matted toe. On the outsole, there's hints of red. And of course, there's gold speckling within the rubber itself. And some there's nice little details here. You have the 1 MVP right here in the lace hoop inside the tongue. And on the insole, it says Shoe Palace XXV, which calls out their 25th anniversary and their motto of family first. So lots of nice details that went into this Curry 1. It dropped on October 6th exclusively at Shoe Palace for $130. Probably all sold out right now. There's just a quick shot of the other shoe. A lot of the same. You have that black upper with the gold detailing, the nice black and red trail style laces. And on this shoe, on the insole, it says, it has the SC Under Armour logo, Steph Curry's logo, and it says, "I can do all things," which is his personal motto, which also calls out his Christian faith. So definitely dope release. A nice retro sort of to Under Armour Curry footwear. Overall, they did a great job with this in terms of creating like a finals / NBA championship / MVP sort of tribute. And, it's a nice little call out to Steph Curry's, success that he's had over the last few years. So this is a Curry 1. It dropped on October 6th for $130. And now we're going to show you the other one. So this is the other shoe in the Bright Lights Big Stage Pack. It is the Curry 4. Let's take a look. So this is the Curry 4 that Steph actually debuted during the 2017 playoffs, and he wore them during that final series against the Cavs. And again, lots of gold and black detailing with hints of red, just like that Curry 1. You got that gold speckling in the rubber outsole, hints of red here on the laces, as well as on the Under Armour logo. And they've added some nice little touches here. It says 2 rings, which again calls out to the 2 NBA championships that Steph Curry has. On the inside part, you have SPXXV, again calling out Shoe Palace's 25th anniversary. And on the other shoe, you have 2 MVPs, which calls out his 2 league MVPs, and SC30, which is a very straightforward nod to Steph himself. So again, Shoe Palace decided to go with the championship theme again with the Curry 4. And this version also dropped on October 6, 2018, exclusively at Shoe Palace. These were $140 and very limited. So if you're in the Bay Area, if you love Golden State, and if you love Steph Curry, then you're probably gonna want these. Yeah, so this is the Curry 4 that again dropped in 2017, and now they're on the Curry 5. And of course, that means the Curry 6, his 6th signature shoe, is probably going to launch sometime in the next season. So again, these were exclusive to Shoe Palace, dope championship-inspired detailing called the Bright Lights Big Stage, and these were $140. So we hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Under Armour Curry 1 and the Curry 4 from Shoe Palace's Bright Lights Big Stage Pack. These again dropped exclusively at Shoe Palace, $130 for the Curry 1, $140 for the Curry 4. And this again celebrates the 25th anniversary of Shoe Palace. So if you're a huge Curry fan, you're definitely going to want these. So let us know in the comments which of the 2 you like better, and if you're really anticipating the Curry 6, which is going to come out probably sometime in 2019. Yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, because we're posting new videos almost daily, and of course turn on your notifications so you know exactly when we post new videos. We hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.